Another thing, this might be a little TMI, but it is that time of the month for me, and I'm just feeling so drained. But I really wanted to get this video out. Don't mind my hair, it's having like a day of its own. So for me, I love to start off my makeup with clean skin. Micellar water for me is great to clean away, you know, just the dirt and oils in the skin. It's actually an all-in-one, removes makeups, even waterproof mascara. It cleanses and refreshes, so it's no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes, all skin types, even sensitive. I'm a mess, I'm so sorry. I forgot I did not put my mic on. Put a little bit, and then I basically just clean around the face. Move on to moisturizer and primers. To me, moisturizer is like number one. So if you guys don't know by now, if you don't follow me on Instagram and you watch my mini makeup tutorials, I feature this in every single video. Even here on YouTube, I'm going to feature this in every single video because this is my ride or die right here. Without this, my skin will be so dry. This is my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So I like to let that sit into the skin. Another product that I like to let sit into the skin is my Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Creams. So for brows, of course, my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. And I also use my NYX Tame Frame Pomade in Espresso as well. So I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Complete Coverage Serum Concealer. And I'm just going to pop some onto the back of my hand. And then I'm going to clean up my brows. I'm going to use this flat brush that I got in one of my Ipsy bags.
No, this is not a hickey. If you guys think that's what it is, it's not. I scratched myself. I always have a mark here. Like, I'm always literally just scratching myself. So, that's not that. Get it together.
I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. primer, and then after that, I'm going to go in with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Moonlight. I got this in Sephora, the little mini one. The enhancer drop. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth foundation in 220 Natural Beige. What I love about this foundation is how it's like lightweight, and it's light to medium coverage, and you could build it up, but I don't really build it up. And it also has sunscreen SPF 18, which is great. Then I'm gonna go in with my Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to just blend this into the skin. I am currently breaking out once again. I don't put a lot of foundation on my forehead. Just whatever's basically left over is what goes on my forehead. And then I'm gonna go back in with that brush that I used to conceal the bottom of my brows, and I'm gonna take some foundation and I'm just gonna clean up the top of my brows. For concealer, I'm gonna go back in with the Bare Minerals. Matter of fact, let me use what is actually left on the back of my hand to not waste any product. I'm gonna use whatever's left. I like to let my concealer sit for 2 minutes. I'm just gonna put a little bit more, just 2 little dots on the cheeks, and that's all of the enhancer drops. And I'm just gonna blend that out. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro powder in banana yellow, and I'm gonna set everything. I'm gonna use my little Mercier puff. I don't like to bake. I just like to set everything in place. My nose is definitely not cooperating with me today. I don't know what it is, but this area, like around my piercing, I don't know why it's acting up. I've had this piercing for a year and a half now, and like just the skin around it is just acting super dry. I'm gonna set the eyebrows real quick with my E.L.F dual lash, clear dual lash brow and lash. What did I just say? My E.L.F clear dual brow and lash gel. There we go. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer now. I'm gonna take my Tarte Don't Be Afraid to Dazzle palette, which is this one. There is the bronzer and highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. It is a really subtle bronzer, so if you go overhand like I do all the time, it doesn't look bad like the Morphe one. The Morphe one is like really intense and really, you know, you could tell when someone overdoes it or they put a little too much and it's not blending out right. I always have that problem with the Morphe one, but with this Tarte one, I never have that problem. See, like I could just overdo it and you won't even notice. The brush I'm using is my AOA Studio F13. This is from sᴏᴏɪᴜ. Then now I could go into the Morphe one. And then contour just a little, make my bronzer a little darker. So for some highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. This is what it looks like. I actually stole this from my mom. She got this in her Ipsy bag, but don't tell her. I don't want it to get too dry, just a little tacky on the skin. Ouch. And then I'm gonna go in with the Zoey 129 fan brush. Like so. Another alternative, if you guys do not want to spend the money on the highlighter, I don't know how much this is. Like I said, I took this from my mom. So next. I'm gonna go with the Zoey Sweet ones. The lash glue I use is my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. This is the clear one. I'm gonna go with my Buxom Blackest Black Mascara. Just says Buxom Lash Mascara. I'm gonna use this for the top lashes. Oh, I like to pinch my lash with the falsies like so. Oh god. And then I'm gonna go in with my E.L.F Beautifully Bare tinted mascara in Naked Noir for my bottom lashes, and I'll be right back. I love this AOA Studio Sugar Lips Lip Scrub in Watermelon. So I like to take some on the finger, and I like to just scrub it with my finger all over my lips. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarteist Lip Pencil in Baked. So I'm just going to line my lips. I like going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. But for today, I'm going to go in with my Sephora lip gloss in 04 Perfect Nude. Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte and poreless normal to oily skin. I got it in my foundation shade, which is my 220 Natural Beige. This is good for blotting, but I don't use it much because, like I said, I don't get super oily. I like regular blotting sheets, which I do have from E.L.F, which are only like $1. It's always good to just keep those powders in your bag with a nice little brush. This is my Royal & Langnickel. It's a highlighting brush, but I do like it for powder. I have these main 4 products in your bag is really good. It's a plus. Some setting spray as well, like a small size like so, is also good. Speaking of setting spray, I actually didn't set my face. I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and I'm gonna set my entire face. I really hope you guys do enjoy this look. Stay tuned for more. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, definitely go check that one out. You can check out my first one as well. That one was 2017. My last one was literally last week. I'm gonna be posting every Sundays. It might change around once school starts, but I won't start school till August. I have some time. What else? Definitely follow me on all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Definitely stay tuned. More will be coming. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm trying to like bring out more content. My next video will be a get to know me, so you guys will definitely get to know me. But yeah, subscribe, like, and comment. Mostly subscribe and like. You guys could leave me a comment if you would like to, so you guys will know when a new video is up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I do post it when I post a new video. I see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.